What's up guys, today I'm watching live, so let me play the video. So here we go. So my light just turned off. Okay, so here it's back. Well, they're not even singing because they know that I'm watching live. They're not gonna make some music. Well, I don't know why. How do they know that they cannot stop? They can't stop singing when I'm watching live. All right, here we go. Let's keep pressing this. Okay. I'm watching live, and then also let's test it out for this bug. And then there's no sound at all. That's why I'm gonna make this bug test. Well, now keep going. Let's go. Keep going. Yeah, let's keep going. This is really taking a while. Alright. Now here we go. Alright, I think this is almost done. It's really almost done. Almost done. Almost. Alright, let's remove it. So I need to close my My Singing Monsters. Yo! That's loud! So guys, if you're watching live, make sure that happens to your phone also so it will happen to yours. So thanks for watching for this video.